Let's begin by turning off your water supply valve. Next, flush your toilet to drain the water tank completely. After flushing, begin removing your toilet seat. Start off by removing your toilet seat's screw covers. Sometimes screw covers flip open from the front, other times from the back. Some toilets may require a wrench or a flathead screwdriver. Be sure to have those handy just in case. Once unscrewed, remove the toilet seat and set it aside. Here's where your Butt Buddy comes in. Place your Butt Buddy on your toilet and turn the adjustable seat plates to align with the mounting holes on your toilet. Make sure the nozzle is centered and as close to the back of the toilet bowl as it can go. Now it's time to reattach your toilet seat. Put the toilet seat along with the bolts back through the toilet mounting holes. Reattach your seat using your screwdriver and the nuts you detached before. Once reattached, don't forget to close the toilet seat screw cover. Next, disconnect the existing water supply hose from the bottom of your toilet tank connection. Then, attach the T-valve adapter that came with your Butt Buddy to the bottom of your toilet tank. Make sure the rubber washer is inserted in the top of the T-valve adapter before doing so. Now, connect the existing water supply hose to the bottom of the T-valve adapter. Next, connect one end of the flexible steel hose that came with your Butt Buddy to the remaining open side of the T-valve adapter and the other end of the flexible steel hose to the connection located underneath the Butt Buddy controller. Once everything is connected, we recommend checking all the connections once more using a towel for extra grip to help avoid any leaks. After checking all the connections thoroughly to make sure they're tight and secure, turn your water supply valve back on. And voila! Your Butt Buddy Bidet is now all set and ready to go. You could finally stop wiping and start washing your bum. Enjoy!